Looking for the best foldable phones of 2025 that combine innovation, style, and power? You're in the right place. From stunning displays to top-tier performance, these foldable devices are set to redefine the smartphone experience. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge tech, a compact design, or versatile functionality, we've got the top 5 foldables that offer the perfect balance of form and function. Let's jump into the list of the best foldable phones you won't want to miss. At number 5, the Motorola Razr 2024 makes a statement by combining a nostalgic flip design with cutting-edge technology. This foldable phone boasts 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, ensuring smooth performance and plenty of space for your media. Its 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display unfolds with vibrant colors and sharp details, making it ideal for immersive viewing. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it handles everything from browsing to gaming without a hitch. The Razr features a 50MP dual-camera system, which offers solid photo quality, but low-light shots may lack clarity. Battery life is also reliable, with a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. With Android 14 on board, you get the latest features and security updates. Priced at around $398, the Motorola Razr 2024 offers a stylish and powerful foldable experience. The Motorola Razr 2024 reimagines the flip phone with modern performance, a stunning display, and sleek design. At number 4, the OnePlus Open redefines foldable smartphones with its sleek design and powerhouse performance. Unfolding to reveal a stunning 7.82-inch FlexiFluid AMOLED display, it boasts a 2K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness of 2,800 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and equipped with 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, it delivers seamless multitasking and ample space for your apps and media. Capture professional-grade photos with the 48MP main, 64MP telephoto, and 48MP ultra-wide triple rear cameras, complemented by a 20MP front and 32MP cover camera, all enhanced by Hasselblad color calibration. The 4,805 mAh battery supports 67W SuperVOOC charging, reaching 100% in just 42 minutes. The OnePlus Open offers a premium foldable experience, blending cutting-edge technology with elegant design. At number 3, we have the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, a powerful foldable device that combines the best of Google software with innovative hardware. It unfolds into a stunning 8-inch LTPO OLED display, delivering vibrant visuals with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth navigation. The exterior sports a 6.3-inch OLED cover display, also boasting 120Hz. Powered by the Google Tensor G4 chip and 16 GB of RAM, this device handles multitasking effortlessly, offering 256 GB or 512 GB of storage. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 48MP wide, 10.8MP telephoto, and 10.5MP ultra-wide rear cameras, while the 10MP front camera excels in selfies. The 4,650 mAh battery supports 21W wired and 7.5W wireless charging, ensuring it lasts throughout the day. At around $1,800, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers cutting-edge features in the foldable phone market. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a true powerhouse with a top-tier camera and stunning display. Coming in at number 2, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 5G is the perfect blend of design and performance. This foldable phone features a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate for fluid visuals, offering an immersive experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing. When folded, its compact form makes it easy to carry in pocket, under the hood, The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and 12 GB of RAM provide exceptional performance, while the 256 GB storage ensures you have plenty of space for apps and media. The 50MP main camera and 12MP ultra-wide lens offer incredible photography capabilities, and the 10MP selfie camera ensures sharp, vibrant shots. With 4000 mAh battery support for 25W fast charging, you'll have all-day power. Priced around $1,099.99, the Z Flip 6 brings style, power, and innovation to your pocket. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a top-tier foldable with stunning design and powerhouse performance. Topping our list, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a powerhouse in the foldable phone market, offering a stunning blend of technology, performance, and design. Featuring a massive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, this foldable device transforms from a compact phone to a tablet with ease, offering vibrant colors and smooth visuals with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The cover screen is also impressive, offering a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED display for easy, on-the-go use. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and 12 GB of RAM ensure smooth multitasking, while the 256 GB storage provides ample space for all your apps and media. The camera system features a 50MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP telephoto lenses, perfect for capturing high-quality photos and videos. Packed with AI features like Circle to Search and Live Interpreter, the Z Fold 6 is designed to enhance your experience. Priced around $1,899.99, it is the future of smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 redefines what a foldable phone can be: premium, powerful, and innovative. That's it for our top 5 foldable phones of 2025. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.